Hey guys, so I got a package in the mail today that I really wanted to share with you. This is a company called Cork Supply. They are in British Columbia, Canada. So I've been looking for a company where I could, source some great cork products. So I contacted them and they were nice enough to send me a package. So I wanted to, of course, open it up on camera and talk about them a little bit. So I have no idea what they sent me, so I'm excited to dig in. I have only cracked it open and removed the addresses and everything, so I haven't actually opened it all the way. Okay. Alright, I'll just take it out of the box. Alright, so all the information for this company, I'll leave that in the description box below so you can check them out if you're looking for some cork. But here it is, their little pamphlet. So Cork Supply, your Canadian cork fabric supplier. It's a natural, fully sustainable, PETA certified, eco-friendly product. Easy to sew and adds the perfect touch to your special projects. And I'm pretty sure that this is a local girl. She's in Ontario. I think that is her product. And she makes those passport holders. So Ashley, I hope you like what I chose. Happy sewing, Sherry. Oh, thank you so much, Sherry. I'm excited to see what you sent. So I'm seeing some strapping, so I'm really excited about that because I am going to be making some tutorials that will require strapping. Okay. And oh, looks like she even put in a fully assembled strap. That's awesome. Oh, I like this color. So it's, if you've never seen cork before, it is basically just a leather alternative that is made from the cork tree. So the cork trees aren't cut down, they're actually shaved every 9 years, and they just take the cork off of the bark and then they just make it into fabrics and of course cork for your wines and things like that. But it's just pretty amazing how they have turned it into some really, really beautiful fabrics that you can make bags with. And I mean, there's just so many different, I've even seen hats made out of it. And so here is some more strapping that I can do something with. So this one's already made and has your stitches in it, and this one I can add my own. And then this is some piping, which is pretty awesome. So you can add piping to your bags. But I am most interested in seeing which ones she sent me. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Ooh, so this is gonna be so nice with the strapping. Oh my goodness, I love it. It has like black flecks in it, if you can see that, but they're kind of shiny too in the light, which is really awesome. And then an adorable polka dot. Oh my. I'm going to have fun with these, and you will see these featured in tutorials, so I hope that you are excited to check that out. I'll even give you a sneak peek of one that I have been working on. This is my little fanny pack. So if you're interested in learning more about cork and of course how to work with it, definitely subscribe if you're not already, and check out this company, Cork Supply. Like I said, all the links will be down below, and of course their Facebook and everything. So if you do head over there, then let them know that I sent you. And thank you again to Sherry at Cork Supply for all these little goodies. I can't wait to use them. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.